suffer strong in addition to large hail and damaging winds. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen and Passaic, and the following counties in New York, Orange and Rockland.
Oh, shoot.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a special rain warning for the Atlantic between Manasquan. Waters between Sandy Hook, New Jersey, and Fenwick Island, Delaware on 20 to 40 nautical miles, including Atlantic City Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Barnegat Light Reef, Beach Haven, Brigantine, Deepwater Reef, Fort Tripper, Garden State North Reef, Garden State South Reef, Great Egg Inlet, Great Egg Reef, Harvey Cedars, Livalette, Little Egg Inlet, Little Egg Reef, North Beach Haven, Ocean Gate, Seaside Park and Ship Bottom, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over Harvey Cedars, moving east at 30 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near 3 nautical miles north of Garden State North Reef and 7 nautical miles south of Barnegat Light Reef. By 4:15 p.m., mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday